Just loaded up my new RZR Polaris XP1000. Don't see too many reviews online about this, but it fits nice on the new Primo trailer. Had to dig that out of the snow. Got its roof, came standard, or not standard, but it came with it. It's got a windshield in the front, windshield in the back. We'll see how long those last. Paint job looks nice. Got the Tusk fender flares on there. It extends it out quite a bit. It's all nice and clean in here. Be the last time that looks clean like that. It's got the exhaust for the clutch over there. That's about 30 inches clearance. Got these anchor points right here. I put those in, bought those online. Bought the Tusk fender flares online. Put some reflectors on, just the red ones, because it's required if you're going to go on public roads. Got the shocks. Turn those down to the softer because I'm older. Let's get the Walker shocks. That's the clutch things. Went and put this glow in the dark paint on the clutch screws. I don't know if those, they say that they come off, but with the newer versions they said that they might put retainers on there so you could take this whole cover off and the screws stay in there. That'd be great, because if you try to lose those at night, you're gonna be hurting. Let's see, it's got spark arrestor up in the exhaust, which is required. Put on the side bumpers and the back bumpers, the front bumpers. Got a toolbox, 85 bucks from online. It's a lot cheaper than the expensive ones. Got mirrors, put those on. Got a rear view mirror, put those on, since those are all required also. Inside, it's looking pretty clean. It's got pretty basic, doesn't have the GPS unit, so we're gonna have to put one in. Probably, I got a Garmin Montana, so I'll put that on there. Had to register it. Alaska doesn't have a side-by-side registration, but in order to go on public roads below 45 on dirt roads, you got to have it. So we did. That's about it. It's still winter time, and we want to test it out, see what it's like. So we're gonna try it. This is the Primo trailer. Got it with a folding back. I didn't want one that stuck up 4 feet. I already had the D-rings in there. This was on sale. Of course, up here that's list for $53.95, I think. Didn't come with a spare tire. That was another 250 bucks. So I went to Home Depot or Lowe's, picked one up for 160. Fortunately, it had the mount on it. So we're gonna mount this on here and attach it to the railing so nobody will steal it. And I'll probably strap it down until I anchor it to the base. I don't know, I might have to move this whole thing back a little bit. I'll have to check the weight on the tongue. See what happens. And this is where we got it. Shout out to them. We'll see how it goes. Got the cover on. Hopefully it'll stay up this time. Last time it flapped like a flag in the back. It didn't work too good. But I think it's on good now. I'm gonna have to definitely change the anchor points. It's really not helping it go forward or backwards. So I got a 2x4 there, so it won't go backwards. I got the toolbox there, so it won't go forward. So next time I'll have to figure out some better anchor points. And we're gonna hit the road. It's made it 60 miles and it's not too dirty. Trailer is. We went 40 miles on it. Yeah, not too bad. Because we're on snowy roads, so that worked out good. The cover got all ripped, so we gave up on that. Very good.